Okay, Jit. Let's start our class. Actually, the definition megasporogenesis. Suppose a megaspore mother, which is twin, it undergoes meiosis division. Meiosis, meiosis means actually reduction division.
Yes.
Shortly, we can write it RD division. This is the sign of meiosis. After meiosis, a mother cell produces 4 haploid spore. It is a mother
Yes.
which is twin mother, and it produces 4 spore. These are megaspores. Megaspores. All the spores are haploid because these types of spores are produced from a megaspore mother. I repeat the
Okay.
definition. What is megasporogenesis? You know that name. Sporogenesis means formation of spore. Here, a mother which is known as megaspore mother produces 4 haploid. This is haploid, this is haploid, haploid, and haploid. 4 haploid megaspore. Okay,
Okay.
so this
Okay.
is the process of megasporogenesis. In this process, actually, megaspores are forms. So the process is known as megasporogenesis. Megasporogenesis. এবার দেখো জিৎ, after the formation of megaspore, each and every megaspore forms gamete. Each and every megaspores means এখানে কটা আছে? Number of megaspore 4.
4.
প্রত্যেকটা মেগাস্পোর থেকে একটা করে ফিমেল গ্যামেট তৈরি হবে. Now I discuss the female reproductive part. I told you in the last class, the female reproductive part, this is the female reproductive part of plant.
Okay.
I am drawing the female reproductive part of the flowering plant. This is the female
Yes.
reproductive part.
Yes.
In this reproductive part, if you look, this is stigma. This is the reception organ of the female sex. This portion is style. This is stylar part of the flowering plants. And this portion is ovary. This is the important part of the female sex organ of plants. And it has a stalk. This is thalamus. This is thalamus of the part. Jit, this is actually the female reproductive part of flowering plants. In these plants,
Yes.
the most important part is ovary because it bears ovule. Because it bears ovule. So within ovary, presence of ovule. I draw an ovule. This is ovule. Suppose it is a single ovule. It is present within the ovary. So, a single megaspore forms single ovule. Ovule is the female reproductive part of the flowering plant. Now I discuss types of embryo sac development in flowering plants. Out of 4 megaspore, this is a single megaspore. Okay, this is haploid. A haploid megaspore forms actually ovule. This is ovule. In this ovule, you know, this is the outermost covering, and presence of embryo sac. The outermost covering, which is known as outer integument.
Yes.
The innermost portion, which is known as inner integument. And within embryo sac, presence of egg apparatus. This is called egg apparatus.
Yes.
Centrally placed secondary nucleus, and here antipodal cells present. These are antipodal cells, and this portion is actually the base of the ovule. If you look, the development of an ovule from a single megaspore, I repeat, the development of an ovule from a single megaspore is called monosporic. Monosporic embryo sac development. This is called monosporic embryo sac development. Which one is embryo sac? This is the sac where egg apparatus, secondary nucleus, antipodal cells present. So this is monosporic. This is the monosporic type of embryo sac. Number one. This is the one definition. Number two. Suppose two megaspore. আমরা দুটো মেগাস্পোর নিচ্ছি। Two megaspore simultaneously forms this structure. If you accept two megaspore and forms single ovule, if the plant actually forms one ovule from two megaspore, যদি দুটো মেগাস্পোর participate করে, that called actually bisporic type of embryo sac development. Here bi means two. Here bi means two. So this is the bisporic type of embryo sac development. Number three. If all the four megaspore, you know, after meiosis, 4 megaspores are produced. If all megaspores, that is 4 in here, all the megaspores forms simultaneously a single ovule. All the 4 megaspore forms simultaneously a single ovule, that call actually tetrasporic embryo sac development. I repeat the definition. All the four, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the 4 megaspore forms a single ovule. It is another ovule. If you look the mature ovule, in this ovule actually 4 megaspores are participated and forms a single ovule. This is a single ovule. In this ovule, you look, all the parts are same because this is embryo sac. You know, this portion is embryo sac. You know, this portion is chalaza. Chalaza is
Yes.
the region. The basal region is called chalaza. And the opening part of the female reproductive part. This is the female reproductive part. This is called micropyle. Micropyle. This is the opening part. And here, presence of egg apparatus, secondary nucleus, antipodal cells are present here. So there are three types of embryo sac development. One is monosporic, another is bisporic, and the last one tetrasporic, because four number of megaspores are participated here. Okay, তো জিৎ চারটে দেখো মেগাস্পোর ফরমেশন এখানে হচ্ছে। এই তিনটে মেগাস্পোর ফরমেশনের কথা বলেছি। মনোস্পোরিক, নাম্বার ওয়ান মনোস্পোরিক। ডু ইউ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড?
Yes, sir.
Okay, monosporic means, I repeat again,
Single.
if one, very good, if one megaspore forms one ovule, that is monosporic type of embryo sac development. The remaining parts are same, because it present this ovule, this ovule present within ovary. I repeat this part, this ovule present within the ovary. So ovary is the chamber of the female reproductive part. Ovary is the chamber where ovules present. The ovules may be one or maybe more than one. That means many ovules. In this picture, you observe here single ovule present. So this is monosporic type of embryo sac development, because I hope here one megaspore is participating. So you can say this is monosporic type of embryo sac development. But the next picture, number 2, you can observe here two megaspores are participated. So this is bisporic type of embryo sac development. And the last picture, I again repeat it, four megaspores forms a single ovule. So this is called tetrasporic type of embryo sac development. So according to our syllabus, what is actually the megasporogenesis? I repeat this definition again for you. Actually, in this class, you can observe a single megaspore. This is a single megaspore mother. This mother is diploid mother. This mother undergoes meiosis, that is reduction division. The sign here RD cross. So after reduction division, that forms 4n. Here 4n. If you look, 4 haploid megaspores are produced. So the total process from a mother to spore haploid, from a mother to 4 haploid spores, the total process is called megasporogenesis. Okay, I hope you understand this topic.